Hey guys, I just got a new order today and I just thought I should tell you about it. I figured you want to know because a lot of people are interested in probiotics. And this is pretty much my go-to probiotic company. The lady Donna Gates wrote the Body Ecology diet and I've done it. And I remember when I was done with that, ice cream tasted too sweet. Like things actually tasted too sweet. I didn't want a lot of sweet. So yeah, it really helped. Really helped me cut back on sugar a lot. Got rid of a lot of the cravings, and it's a lot easier to do it with these things because eating probiotic rich foods and drinks helps cut down on your cravings, and it helps get your inner ecosystem back in balance with good bacteria and bad bacteria. So what this is basically this is a culture starter for vegetables. So you just culture some cabbage and make sauerkraut. But instead of doing a wild culture with the probiotics that are already present in the cabbage naturally, this is adding a special mix of different strains of probiotics, and it just makes it easier too because you've got so many probiotics in there that the bad bacteria have to fight against a bunch of these good guys basically. So so it works like that too, but also you're ensuring that you're going to get a lot of probiotics in your food. It's going to be very probiotic rich. And it's a lot better than eating capsules and taking supplements like that. Donna Gates believes that this is the superior way of getting in probiotics, and that's through food and drinks. Um, Otherwise, they won't be able to pass through the digestive system as well. Get through the stomach and keep traveling through the GI tract. So the other kind that we have is kefir starter. You can use it to make milk kefir, but we use it for coconut kefir. So we use both of these. Obviously, I'll make videos about these, about how to make these, and I'll link to them in the description below. I'll also put a link to where you can get these products. But I never tried this before, so I just figured I would go ahead and try it right now. So worried it was going to explode. Interesting. It's not what I expected. This is Dong Quai. It's a herb, so it's a herbal probiotic drink. Never even had it before, but we thought we'd get it this time. And we're gonna try different things each time. Usually we get some other stuff, but we really just needed this is the main things that we order from them. But yeah, she's really good. Donna Gates likes to focus on autism, and there are parents that have had really good results with their autistic kids, and attribute it to the body ecology diet, which this is the main part of, cutting out sugars, even starches because they turn into sugars. Basically living off of like quinoa and stuff like that, not even any rice. So it's kind of strict. It's really rough. We don't realize how addicted to sugar that we are until we try to cut it out, especially sugar and bread. It's tough because you can hardly eat anything that normal people eat. So, but it's definitely something I recommend. I recommend it to everyone. I think it's a great starting point to health, really, to help get back in control of your appetite, your taste, and stuff like that, and to take care of the gut so that way you everything's going to function better if your gut is taken care of, because that's how you're going to break down food and get nutrients. The probiotics themselves, they actually create nutrients on their own, They act as basically your immune system. They're the good guys fighting off the bad guys. They help digest the food. You know, the probiotics really, I mean, we've got 10 times as many probiotics as we have cells. So we're much more of probiotics than we are of our own cells. So, you know, the thing is we've all, pretty much almost all of us, have had antibiotics at some point, in some time. You know, and even if you just brush your teeth with regular toothpaste, it's like an antibiotic just going in there and killing everything. And we need to be putting these beneficial probiotics into our body. And so that's what this is all about. Check it out. Try it. Watch for my videos coming soon. I'll link to them. And try this out. It's your health. It's worth it. This is a lot cheaper than doing it at home. I mean, it's a lot cheaper doing it at home than paying for sauerkraut in the stores. I mean, the sauerkraut itself is like the cabbage is like $1. So, you know, do that. Find a good source of coconuts or a good quality raw grass-fed milk and culture that. If you're going to have milk, that's probably the best way to have milk, would be through cultured, because I believe it breaks down. Let me see, does it break down the casein? I think it breaks down the casein, and even people that are lactose intolerant, they maybe, I think they can do better with it. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. But try it out and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Have a wonderful day.